Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney. Today I'd like to speak about amending your trust. Before I get to that, if you have a question for me, if you would like to speak with me, please send me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw, or you can go to my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Every once in a while, and it happened today, I am asked if a trust can be amended. So, like many things, many times I get ideas for these videos based on things that occur in my practice. So 2 different things happened this week that made me want to discuss this. I was explaining to a new client, about the trust, and we were having an exchange. He was asking me some questions, and I was explaining things about the trust. And he asked me, what if I'd like to change something in the future? How would I amend the trust? And I also fielded a call where a potential new client had a trust created several years ago from another attorney, and she wanted to change a couple of items within the trust, distribute one or several of her assets in a different way. The property that she had, condominium or co-op, was going to be transferred or ultimately bequeathed in one certain way. She would now like to do it in a different way. So these 2 distinct inquiries seem to merge into one. So I'd have to, for the woman, I have to read her trust and see what the mechanism is within that trust for modifying it or amending it. And I'm sure, without even reading it, I would be fairly certain to say that an amendment can be done pursuant to the terms of the trust. And how would we do it? Well, it'd be a written document where we recite the date that the trust was originally written, when it was, if previously amended, when that was, and we'd recite the date of the amendment and set forth a series of whereas clause. Whereas this was the trust dated this date, and it said that, and the other thing, and now, pursuant to, or something like this, pursuant to, paragraph 10, specifying the amendment process, I am now amending the trust, and paragraph, 14, I would like to amend in the following way, or I'd like to set forth a new provision in that the co-op located in Florida is now going to go to John Smith as opposed to Sally May. Okay, so the trusts that I create have a provision that they can be amended, and even if they're drafted by another attorney, I'm pretty confident that there'll be an amendment process within the document itself. If you would like for me to review your trust, please reach out to me, Frank@frankbrunolaw. Thank you.